So this is one of the, this is Learning Unit 6, Exercise 5, Question 2.2. This is in the Boolean logic section. So this question 2.2 is one of the types of Boolean questions that we can get. And you can see it's asking us to evaluate a certain function. So they've given us the function there, function at x, y, z is equal to z, or not x and y and z. And they have given us specific x, y, and z values of 1, 0, and 1. Okay, so let's evaluate this thing quickly. So I would say f at 101 is equal to, okay, and we can see that z is 1, okay, and then we've got or, and then I would normally put this in brackets here. They have given us an x value of 1. So they have given us an x value of 1. So I'm just going to do it the long way around here. Okay, so it's not 1. And they've given us a value of 0 for the y. And they've given us a value of 1 for the z. So we have replaced in the values that we were given there. So that is equal to, okay, so we've got the 1 or, and now we've got not 1. So not 1 is obviously 0. So 0 and 0 and 1. I'm doing this, I'm obviously doing this in more steps than you need to take. I'm just doing this so that you can see sort of every step in the process that I use anyway. So we've got 1 plus. Okay, so let's evaluate what's in those brackets. Okay, we've got an and, so we've got 0 and 0 and 1. We know with and, in order to get a 1, all the inputs have to be a 1. If we've got even just a single 0, it's 0. So we have ended up with 1 or 0, which in this case is 1. And that is our answer.